In today's video, I'm going to show you 3 different options to generate professional face-to-camera presenter videos using the most realistic AI avatars. No camera, no video editing, and no technical expertise required. Go from start to download, no matter where you are. Whether you need a quick social media video, a polished ad, a talking head video for an online coaching business, VEED has everything you need in one place, including a full suite of editing features to help you add those important finishing touches. So let's make a start with the first option, the quick option. You're going to be using a ready-made AI avatar and voice actor from VEED's library to generate quick social videos, explainer videos, ads, and FAQ videos. Log in to VEED or sign up to a free account using these credentials: Google, Apple, Microsoft, or a work email. Once done, you'll arrive on your VEED dashboard, which will look something like this. The feature we're going to be using is VEED Fabric, right at the top of your dashboard. You can test it out with a free VEED account, but obviously if you want to use it on a more regular basis, you'll need a paid plan. So sign up today and snag up to 30% off annual subscriptions using the link and code in the description underneath this video. So click on VEED Fabric to make a start, and in the left-hand column you'll see VEED's entire range of AI characters. There are 60 characters to choose from in total, from different age groups, ethnicities, with different styles and outfits, from corporate to casual. So click on whichever character is relevant to your project. Before you go any further, do make sure you've got the correct ratio of template in the video editor. You can easily change it with just one click of a button. Once you've selected your avatar, you're then going to type out or just copy and paste your script into the text box provided. You can use as many as 2,700 characters. Next, select the right language for your video from the drop-down menu. After that, pair up your avatar with a voice actor from VEED's library. There are over 35 voices to choose from and over 7 voice styles. Click on any of the handy categories at the top of the column to help you. Preview any voice or pre-listen to any voice by clicking on the little play button. Select your chosen voice and click the play button if you like to listen to the first snippet of your script. Once you're ready to move on to the next step, click on Generate. VEED's AI will then animate the avatar and sync the lip movements to the voice.
I just bought these makeup brushes. They cost me half what I'd usually spend on high-end products, and I absolutely love them.
If you're happy with the avatar as it is, just click on Add to add it to the video editor. Option 2 is the creative route, and this is where you start creating videos that look and sound like you without you having to be on camera. It's a perfect solution for coaches, course creators, brand content, and anyone who prefers to use their own voice but doesn't want to be on camera.
Please support Nikki's work by subscribing to her channel and giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks so much.
This kind of video is going to feel more like your brand rather than the stock presenter, and this is where it gets really interesting. Click on the little Create button, and you have 2 choices here really. The first is to generate your own custom image using VEED's own AI text-to-image generator. Alternatively, you can upload your own reference image and VEED will bring it to life as a presenter. Upload the image into the space provided and then click Create Character. Your character will then appear in the left-hand side column. Just as a side note, do ensure you use the best quality image that isn't blurry or pixelated by using an image upscaler. You can do this within VEED using this handy link, which I'll leave in the description box underneath. I would upscale it as much as you can, 4 times if possible, just to ensure that you have the best quality image. Once done, just click on Upscale. Going back to VEED, the next step to take is to type or copy and paste your script into the box above. Now, instead of using a voice actor from VEED's library, you're going to click on the tab that says Your Voices and generate your own voiceover. You can do that either by pre-recording a voiceover using a smartphone, for example, and then uploading the MP3 file into VEED, or record your voiceover directly within VEED by clicking on Record and then use the pop-up window to record up to 5 minutes of speech. Once done, click Add Speech and you're all ready to go on to the final step by clicking on Generate and wait for VEED to generate your own talking avatar. So you can see that using your own voice sounds so much more authentic. If you're happy with your voiceover, just click Add to add it to the video timeline. Finally, option 3, the professional route, and this is my preference and one that changes your workflow permanently. You're going to be cloning your own voice, which takes just a few minutes, and matching it with your own reference image so you can generate unique brand videos in minutes rather than hours, regardless of where you are. So from the VEED homepage again, click VEED Fabric to get started, then go to the sidebar and click Audio. Under the Voice section, click Voice Cloning. Read the terms and conditions, and if you're happy to go ahead, place a little tick in this box here and then click Continue. There is no English UK, so I'm just going to stick with English US. And underneath you'll find a snippet of text that you're going to read to clone your voice. Now, one of the key benefits of cloning your voice is VEED gives you the opportunity to use an external microphone, which ensures a better quality audio. So click the downward arrow to connect your external mic. Then when you're ready, click Record and read from the script. Listen to your recording or retake it if necessary. If not, click on Continue to go to the next step. Once VEED has verified your recording, click on Done to add your voice to the library. And here it is, right at the bottom. Once you've selected your character, you're going to go down to Voice, click on the downward arrow, and right at the top of the library, you will find your own cloned voice. So click on that to select it, type out or copy and paste your script into the box provided, and when you're ready, go right down to the bottom and click Generate. The video will appear on the left-hand side, so have a listen to it, and if you're happy, click on Add to add it to the video editor. So there you have it. 3 ways to create presenter videos in VEED using AI avatars, no camera, no video equipment, and no time-consuming video editing. Your voice clone will stay in the library for as long as you need it until you choose to delete it. So it's available at the click of a button. So why not take the next logical step now and learn how to edit videos in VEED, including adding trending subtitles. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and drop a comment underneath telling me which option you're most likely to try first. I'm genuinely curious. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.